Hi guys, it's Richard Lizu. Welcome back to my channel. I have a very special video for you guys today, where I will be unboxing the all-new Oculus Rift S. I bought this Oculus Rift S completely using money out of my own pocket. Even though I work at the company, I paid full retail for this, so this is all mine. So I can say and do with it whatever I wish. So this cost me $400 and I got it from Best Buy. Let's see, so it says inside the box there's a VR headset, 2 touch controllers, AA batteries, 5-meter headset cable, mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort adapter. And that's what's inside here. The box is super nice. I have my own PC. PC required, it says here. I have a PC with a GTX 1080 Ti. I actually tested this Oculus Rift. I tested this Oculus Rift S inside Facebook, so I kind of know what to expect already. I also tested the Oculus Go, the Oculus Quest, and yeah. So let's get started. Okay, so I really like this, and now this boxing here is super nice. Let's see. Wow, they really need to make their let's see. So you open it like that. Awesome. Cool. So here it is here. Okay, that's nice and hefty. There's this, and so actually when I tested this internally, I actually wasn't even able to connect it to my computer. So I hope they actually fix that in the production version and I can actually use it. I'm very excited to use this after all. So for reference, when I was in school, I actually was given an Oculus Rift, the first version, to experiment on. And then, so I have some experience with that. My friends had the HTC Vive, so I have experiences with that. And then, like I said earlier, I tested out the Oculus Go, the Oculus Quest, and also this Oculus Rift S during my time at Facebook. So I have a lot of experience with, I do have a lot of experience with the VR world. Let's see. Set up your Rift S. Install the Oculus app on your PC. You'll need the app to set up your device and create an account. Okay, so I should already have an account. That's kind of suck. Okay. Great unboxing experience. So yeah, during my time at Amazon, they focus a lot on they call it the OOBE, so UBI, the out-of-box experience. So that, is someone's first impression to the item, and it really will impact what they think about it. So they focus a lot of their energy on their out-of-box experience. Like one of the things is their items should never come without battery. They should always come with battery, and that's just something a little bit I learned at Amazon. And if any of you guys are looking to get into tech, there's some differences within the companies. Wow. So, okay. So some of the differences between the production model and the one that I tried, the headband here is actually much more, the headband here is much more soft. It's definitely not like what I tried. And yeah, it was, and it feels lighter. Yeah, it definitely just feels lighter from the one that I tested at Facebook. So, let's see. Anyway, okay, yeah, whatever. Never exposed to light. Never exposed lenses to direct sunlight. Okay, whatever. Yeah, okay. So, now I have that. And then here's the adapter. That's fine, whatever. And there's nothing else inside the box. So that's everything that they give you inside the box. Okay, cool. So that's the unboxing experience. Here are the AA batteries that they promised me. If only I can get them out somehow. Great, so that's... Okay, let's toss all this stuff. All right, that's the unboxing. Please watch my next video to see the setup experience. Yeah, see you there.